Hi guys, Harvey from All Parts. As you can see, this will be part 2. This is about an hour into our snowstorm. Hopefully we get over an inch. As you can see, the road is starting to get some snow on it. It's starting to turn very cold. And see right now, I don't know if you can see it. No, my thing steamed up. Anyway, it's an hour into it. It's snowing pretty good. Really is. Roofs are starting to get it. Trucks got it pretty good. So birds are not happy. It's coming down pretty good. So hopefully it'll stay like this for the next 6, 7, 8 hours. Be nice. So people are driving slow on the road. It's kind of nice. So we'll see. Anyway, guys, it's Harvey from All Parts, Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Day after Christmas. Wish it would have snowed yesterday. Would have been really nice. But it's good to see snow here. It's really cold. So, good old-fashioned snow. Love to see it. See you later. As you can see, it's starting to stick. See you later. Bye.